Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of resin crafting with what we believe is the best jewelry box resin mold available, the Let's Resin Storage Box Mold. Crafting enthusiasts, get ready to elevate your resin game with this innovative storage solution. Let's dive into why this mold deserves a spot in your crafting arsenal. First off, let's talk durability. Made from high-quality silicone, this mold is not only flexible but also built to last. Say goodbye to torn molds and hello to seamless resin casts, time after time. But what sets this mold apart is its ingenious sliding lid design. Perfect for storing small trinkets like jewelry or tarot cards, this feature not only adds functionality but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your finished pieces. Now, let's talk customization. With this mold, the possibilities are endless. Add dried flowers, pigments, glitter, you name it. Personalize your creations to reflect your unique style and creativity. And the versatility doesn't stop there. From jewelry to cosmetics, tarot cards to mini blocks, this mold can do it all. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the Let's Resin Storage Box Mold is sure to impress. And finally, let's touch on customer service. Let's Resin prides itself on providing top-notch support to its customers. Should you encounter any issues, rest assured knowing they've got your back. So there you have it, folks, the best jewelry box resin mold on the market. Whether you're crafting for yourself or gifting to loved ones, this mold is a must-have for any resin enthusiast. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Until next time, happy crafting!